target list is a list that you make and keep for reference of your main targets in this industry. Your target list could be people that you want to work with, shows that you want to be on, agents and managers who would be a good fit, production companies, your dream directors that you vibe with, content creators that have a similar vibe to you that you want to collaborate with. If you're a commercial actor or a model, you probably have target brands that you want to work with that really align with your acting brand and what you bring to the table. The list goes on and on. Hi there, Honey Bunch, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nico Austin Smith, and I'm a working actor here in LA. I've been working pretty consistently for the past 4 years, and I'm so excited to be on this acting journey with you, so let's get into it. It can be an extremely daunting undertaking to make a target list if you're new to the industry. So before you view this video, it is imperative that you know and understand and embrace your brand, as well as the current tier that you are in, so that you can make smart goals that will see results. Think of the top 10 shows that you want to be on that are on brand for you, that cast actors similar to your type. These top 10 shows are your target list. Of these 10 shows, you can look up who casts them. Those casting directors should also be on your target list as another separate list for casting directors, or just on one huge list, up to you. You can also do a target list for producers or directors, showrunners, etc. You can have a target list for all of the people in this industry that are on brand for you that you want to work with. For example, I have Sarah Finn Casting as a target casting director on my target list. And why, you ask? Because she basically casts all of the MCU films and TV shows. And if you know me, you know that being part of the MCU is not only a dream and something I've been manifesting for a long time, but it is also completely on brand for me. A target list is imperative for you to have because not only does it give you much needed clarity about where you stand in the industry and where you want to move forward, but it also gets rid of spaghetti syndrome, which is the notion of throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks, which is what some people do in their acting career. They just reach out to everybody because they think that everybody will receive them well. And if people that you're reaching out to aren't looking for people of your type or your brand, then you're kind of wasting your time. With your target list, you can actively seek out genuine industry relationships with people that you want to work with, people that are looking for you. You can go to targeted CD workshops, casting director workshops, instead of just going to all of the casting director workshops that come your way and paying all of this money to be seen by people that might not even respond to you. Like, it would be a waste of money for me to pay to go to a Nickelodeon casting director workshop because Nickelodeon is not part of my brand. Even if they promise me to get in front of their executives, it's kind of a wash because Nickelodeon's nowhere near my brand. Save your money and your time. Trust me, it will pay off in the long run. Another thing to note is that your target list will probably change and evolve. Maybe one of your target shows gets canceled. Maybe a casting director starts a different office, or maybe a casting assistant from an office that you were targeting moves up and is a casting director somewhere else. But when you have a target list, it becomes so much easier to skim the trades because you know the names that you're looking for. You know, okay, I'm tracking Sarah Finn. That means all the Marvel stuff. So any Marvel titles of things that are being cast, I know what to look for in the trades, and that'll give me some clarity, and I'll have some control over what I'm looking for, and it'll keep me in the know easier. It'll also be easier to self-submit on sites like Actors Access because you'll know what to definitely look out for. As we continue this video series, I'll be sharing with you how to create your own target list of casting directors, agents, managers, and I will also be sharing with you who is specifically on my target list. Stay tuned.